Yes. Urea cycle. Urea synthase occur in liver. In liver, this is mitochondria. Yes, this is mitochondria. In mitochondria, CO2 bind with ammonia to form carbonyl phosphate by enzyme carbonyl phosphate synthase or synthetase. Yes, point it out. Synthetase. Synthase and synthetase. What is the difference between synthase and synthetase? Synthase, no ATP used. Synthetase, ATP used. Synthase, no ATP used. Synthetase, ATP used. Okay. Synthase are classified under lyase. Synthetase are ligase. Both are question. Synthase are classified under lyase, synthetase, ligase. Okay. So in this reaction, two ATPs are used. So definitely this enzyme must be synthetase or synthetase first. Yes, or you can say CPS. CPS first is present in mitochondria and take part in urea cycle. We found that CPS second is present in cytosol and take part in pyrimidine base synthesis. Yes, you know, in DNA RNA, purine and pyrimidine base are there. Pyrimidine base, thymine, cytosine, uracil. In their synthesis, CPS second is used and that is present in cytosol. Definitely you will discuss it again with pyrimidine base synthesis. Carbonyl phosphate react with ornithine by ornithine transcarbamylase to form citrulline. Citrulline react with aspartate to form arginosuccinate, and in this reaction ATP is converted to AMP. When ATP is converted to ADP, one high energy phosphate is used. When ATP is converted to AMP, two high energy phosphates are used equivalent to 2 ATP. 2 ATP used here, 2 ATP used here. So 2 plus 2, 4. Question: in urea cycle, how many ATPs are used? 4 ATP used. Okay. Don't get confused with ATP to AMP. Yes, wherever you find ATP is converted to AMP, that two high energy phosphates are used equivalent to 2 ATP. So in urea cycle, 4 ATP used. Arginosuccinate is converted to arginine by arginosuccinase and fumarate is released. Now arginine is converted to ornithine and urea by the last enzyme arginase. Okay, and urea is synthesized. Now you must know NH2CO NH2. This is urea. What is urea? Urea is NH2CO NH2. In urea, first nitrogen comes from ammonia. Carbon comes from CO2 And the second nitrogen, the second nitrogen comes from aspartate. In urea, first nitrogen comes from, one nitrogen comes from ammonia, carbon comes from CO2, and the other nitrogen comes from aspartate. Frequently asked question. So these are common question on urea cycle. In urea cycle, first two reaction occur in mitochondria and further reaction occur in cytosol. So urea cycle occur both in mitochondria and cytosol. Question. Urea cycle occur both in mitochondria and cytosol.